guys, it's me here today again, coming to you about a little project I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be putting some shelves up right here so I can do some video editing and kind of keep my computers and electronics away from where it is right now. It's over here where I play Xbox and eat food. And the dog. So I'd rather have a little separate station to like have my computer and so I can do like homework or whatever else I need to do, like studying wise or just editing. So I figured to show you guys that I'm going to do that today, and some of the wood I'm going to be using, how I'm going to make it. And I appreciate you guys watching. Please stay to the end and like and subscribe, and thank you so much. So this has ended up being like semi-finished product right here. I'm gonna go down to Home Depot and get a board, I think, to cover up the back here, just so I don't put any holes in it. There's a few little holes and nicks, just from in general. And I just actually fixed them all, but I don't know what it is. Over here just kept getting poked full of holes. So I'm thinking about putting a little protective board like 6 inches up around the back here. And then we're going to paint this white, and then this should be done. I might also do the protective board on this one just to make it match down here. So stay tuned for that. And I think that's it. This one should be good. So I'm going to put up a second video of this painted and then with all my stuff moved into it. And we should be good to go. Alright guys, so I actually ended up recording it on the painting process on a GoPro, and the footage got mixed up and it's too hard to edit in between because I usually film on my phone. This will be the last non-4K video. One more video after this, and then this will be the last 4K video. So there's 2 videos left that are non-4K, and then everything else will be 4K. But this is the new workstation. As you saw from the beginning, I'm going to upload a little picture as well before and after. You can see what my little editing station looks like now. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little project.